Okay everyone, check this out. So this is how I've been note-taking and updating a website that I've been playing with. I have this little widget on here. Hit that. I need Face ID to unlock. And now it's recording. So I'm just going to showcase blah, blah, blah. Here's what's going on. And then I'm actually going to show you on the iPhone mirroring. Okay. So I'm going to hit stop. And just for the course of this video, now let's do iPhone mirror. Okay, so I cannot actually show you additional recordings through the mirroring, but I can show you the app itself. So what I just did here was I recorded an app, which then placed a file in my Obsidian vault on my iPhone. And then I ran, it actually ran against my templater file, and then it used on-device Apple Intelligence to then tag. Unfortunately, one of the tags, Face ID, is broken, so I'm actually going to hit X there. It appears, I don't think Obsidian likes spacing in the tags. And again, this is just an example, so I'm going to just delete this one anyways, but I'm going to show you the whole flow while doing it, okay? So bear with me. The naming of the file, LLM-generated, again, it takes a transcript, generates the name, it generates Markdown, and now I can actually commit and sync because I have Git set up on my within my vault here, and now on my desktop I can do a pull. So that's how I've been getting files around, right? But now let me show you the reason I'm doing this. So this is kind of what I've been playing around with as a showcase. Kind of went a little overboard, but I'm having fun with it. So basically what I've been running into is I'm trying to do a video a day, right? And so throughout the day, whenever I have an idea, I need to just kind of post it somewhere. So Face ID demonstration, look at that. So what I'm doing here is I'm running it on my phone via Voxboard, an app of mine, and then I am speaking to it, ideating, creating ideas. It generates a template-specific tagged file here in my vault, and then I'm actually syncing it up. And when I sync it, it'll actually auto-generate and push to my website, right? So I have two repos. I have my vault and I have my website. And whenever I push a Markdown file up to the vault, it runs a GitHub action, sends that stuff over here. And so now I have this idea log that actually has supported OAuth, as well as light mode, dark mode, inspired by Obsidian. I do like their colors and their stuff. So you can authenticate here. And now I'm authenticated, both Google and GitHub work. And the reason for the authentication is upvoting. So this is out there in the public. You can now upvote, you can play with this. I'm going to be ideating, and this is just open to the public. If something interests you, hit an upvote. You know, that's all there is. You can also submit. I have submit ideas, tags, whatever, for you, the viewers. If there's something you want me to explore even further, specific to any of the apps that I'm building, things of that nature. So the way I'm building this, that first showcase of what I was doing was Voxboard. So this is one of my apps I've been playing with. It's free. You get 15 minutes free. Because it's all on device, I can do a one-time payment, so it's $9.99, just like all of my other apps. And then it has quite a bit of fun stuff in here, so you can choose your models. I have Whisper models, but personally, I actually prefer the Parakeet. They're much faster. And then I've built in this Apple Intelligence layer, and so that's what allows us to enrich the file names. You can also rewrite the transcription. It can generate the tags. There's also extensive folder management you can play around with here. And of course, different file formats, right? For me, Markdown is the best. And then this templating, so you can select the templates. Let me know in the comments if this interests you. I can explore and build out more content around Voxboard. But the main thing here was actually this idea log. I just wanted to show you how I'm playing. You know, I have my Obsidian vault that then syncs and publishes directly to a website. In this case, I'm doing an idea log, but obviously you could always do this for a blog, right? You can do this for basically anything. Anything Obsidian supports. I just already have a blog, didn't need to build another one, so I built this. Anyways, thanks. See you in the next one.